Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Atiq Rahman YouTube channel. And in this video, I will let you know how you can use some function for column wise if you want to do some, and if you want to do some row wise, so how you can do that. So there's a lot of ways, and I will show you some quick ways. So how you can do the addition or how you can do the sum function within few seconds. This is a lot of data in front of you, so you can if you want to use the formula which I will show you now, so you can do it within 2 seconds. So if you came to my channel first time, if you like my video at the end, I will request you to please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you will see more video on Excel and other topics. So let's move to the topic, and you can see the heading, and then down there is some of the data I have mentioned. So already I've prepared because I want to save your time, so you can see quickly and then you can move to the next video. So first I will put some border here, and I will explain later on as well, so you will understand what is all about. On the top there is a month, and here you can see the name of employees, and this is the total. Okay, down both in the last column also where I need the detail for the row wise, there is also total, and the down there is column wise also there is a total. And you can see here above months. So this is the sale data, so I want to know the sale as month wise, how much sale total we have in the month wise, and how much sale each employee is doing from January till June. So these both I need to know, so that how can I do that. Okay, for example, if you're newbie, so newbie will do the same, like plus, and it will use in every column plus plus plus. Like for example, the person who don't know Excel much, so obviously he will use or she will use with this way, and might be you will do some mistake and it will take your time as well. So now we will there is a 3 options. So first option I already told you, that if newbie, so might be he will use some function like this. But for example, if you're not a newbie and you know, or you watch this video, after watching this video, so you will not use this basic newbie function. Like you will use in a proper way Excel function, so you can get the benefit from the Excel tricks, and you can save your time, and you can avoid the mistakes as well. So let's do the next second one, how to use auto function from the home tab. This is a home tab open already. What I will do, I will go here and I will press Autosum, and this formula automatically select the area where he find the figures only. And the sum function is not, like the function is not selecting the months. You can see that because the month is not the numeric area. So the formula knows that which area he have to select. Okay, so now if you press OK, so you will see the total. Okay, you can see here this is the total. Okay, or then what you will do, you can drag this one. You can, you can see the plus sign, so you can drag, so or you can see, you can get all the total for all the columns. Okay, the same thing you can do here. You can put the cursor where you want to see the result. So I want the first row result here in the first row after the total, and then I will press Autosum. You see that here some function already selected the area where is the only numbers are there. So we will press enter, the amount is there. Now we will do what we will do, we will just drag this one, and now you can see the total of each row. Okay, now this formula you can do another way as well. This is also a very short way. So how you can do that with the keyboard, you can select this one. Okay, you can select this all option, then all the area of the calculation, and then you can press. So still we are on the second option here, but this is another way to use this formula. Okay, you can select this area which we have to which is a numeric area, and you just press Autosum. It will show you all the data in the row wise and the column wise. This row wise and the column wise you can see here, and you can see here, and down here you can see like the row wise total. If you want, okay. If you don't want, you can delete this one as well, no problem for that. Okay, so now we will move to the third option, how to use formula from the keyboard. Alt plus is equal to, if you want to use the keyboard, Alt plus is equal to, so you can see here all the like column you can see the total, on row you can see the total. Now for example, if you don't want to see this one, like in the last row wise, you don't want to see, okay, for example this row wise total you don't want to see. So how you can do that, that one also I will tell you. This is also very easy with the same way, with the Alt plus is equal to. First you have to select this one, for example you select column, then you have to press Control and then press first row, and now hold shift plus press shift and then select and the arrow key down, and then you have to press Alt plus is equal to, you can see the total row wise and column wise, and here you are not going to see any total, either it's a row wise or either it's a column wise. So in this way you can use the sum function for row wise and column wise within seconds. I hope you like this video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you will see more video in the future on different other topics. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.